Cleaning a Doulton ceramic water filter candle is a straightforward process. Regular cleaning can help maintain the filter's effectiveness and extend its lifespan. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean a Doulton ceramic water filter candle. Materials needed: a clean cloth, a scouring pad, clean water. Steps: 1. Turn off the water supply and release pressure. If your filter system is connected to a water source, ensure that you turn off the water supply and open filtered water tap before removing the filter candle. 2. Remove the filter candle. Carefully unscrew or detach the ceramic filter candle from the filter housing or system. 3. Rinse with clean water. Gently rinse the ceramic candle under running water to remove any loose particles or sediment. 4. Scrub the surface. Using a scouring pad, gently scrub the surface of the ceramic candle. Do this under running water to help wash away contaminants as you scrub. Avoid using steel wool or anything abrasive, as this can damage the ceramic surface. 5. Inspect the filter. After scrubbing, inspect the filter candle for any cracks or damage. If you notice any cracks, it's essential to replace the filter candle, as its integrity may be compromised. 6. Reinstall the filter candle. Once cleaned, carefully reinstall the ceramic filter candle into the filter housing or system. Ensure it's securely in place. 7. Turn on the water supply. If applicable, turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. 8. Flush the system. It's a good practice to run water through the filter system for a few minutes to flush out any dislodged particles and to ensure the water runs clear. Additional tips: depending on your water source's quality and the level of contaminants, you may need to clean the filter candle more or less frequently. If you notice a significant reduction in water flow rate, it's a good indication that the filter needs cleaning. Always handle the ceramic filter candle with care to avoid dropping or cracking it. Over time, even with regular cleaning, the filter candle's effectiveness may decrease. It's recommended to replace the ceramic filter candle after a certain period or volume of water filtered, as specified by the manufacturer. By maintaining and cleaning your Doulton ceramic water filter candle regularly, you can ensure that it continues to provide clean and safe drinking water.